Recently, a subscriber asked me how I created YouTube shorts on the Vehicle Mundo YouTube channel that contained copyrighted music that was longer than 15 seconds. The key to doing that is to use the mobile app. The first thing you need to do is select plus, then select create a short, and then you need to do the following steps in the following order. The first step is to change 15 seconds to 60 seconds. So go ahead and select 15 in the upper right hand corner of the YouTube app and you'll see it change to 60 seconds. The second thing you need to do is then add the music, and then the third step is to add your video clips or record your video clips. And by performing those steps in that specific order, you'll be able to use copyrighted music that is longer than 15 seconds.